How to turn off dark mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how to turn off dark mode on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here, once you are on the profile page, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in your settings page, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as accessibility and translations. And now here on the new page you can see the option labeled as dark mode. So just tap on that, and after that you can simply choose off to disable dark mode and return to the light theme. And that's it. That's how you can turn off dark mode on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.